Yo, what is going on YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to get EA Sports FC24 for free. Now if you don't know, FC24 is pretty much FIFA 24, however they do not have the license to use the FIFA branding. So the new one is called FC24 and I'm going to show you how to get it for free. It's super easy. This is a digital game code and this will give you not only early access, the beta version of the game, but it's also going to just transfer to the full version once it releases. So I'm going to show you today how you can go ahead and get your very own digital game code to start playing FC24 for free. So I'm going to start recording my mobile phone screen and I'll be putting the recording here so you can all follow along and get your free copy. Okay, so basically guys, you need to open up the internet on your mobile phone and go to this website, www.speedycoupons.com. So make sure you go directly to the website by typing that website into your browser. Now on this page you can see there is a ton of different stuff on here, not just game codes. However, we're looking for the EA Sports FC24 free game code page. Now, if you can't find it, it should be at the top of trending because it's a super popular code and it's a brand new one out. However, if you can't find it, there is a search bar here. So go to that and just type in FC24 and it should pop right up. Tap to open the page. EA Sports FC24 free game code. There's tons of coupons for your games left. However, be quick because this is a super popular code. Scroll down and you have to choose what platform you're going to play on. So depending if you've got an Xbox or PlayStation or you play on PC, you just have to choose your corresponding code. It's the same process no matter where you play. So I play on Xbox, so let's press show code for the Xbox one, and this is a free digital copy of FC24 for Xbox consoles, so it doesn't matter what Xbox console you have, and it's the same as the PlayStation. It'll work on both PS4 and PS5. So let's unlock code, because you can see it's released part of the code, but we need the full code to obviously use it. Okay guys, so this step is crucial to pass. Basically this just protects the digital codes and stops robots from stealing all of them, because as you can imagine, a digital code for FC24 is going to be worth quite a bit of money. So we basically just need to pass this step here to unlock your code, and all we need to do is follow these instructions on this page and complete 2 of these tasks listed here. They're all completely free, and this is just a way to protect the codes. So to complete them, you just need to follow the instructions below each one and just choose 2 of them to complete. Choose 2 that you find are going to be the easiest. So you can see, for example, this one at the top, it says register, choose your boxes and start your free trial. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that and just complete this one. Just answer the questions here. Okay, so you can see I just need to enter my details there. So let me go back and choose a second one. This one is a similar one where I just need to answer the questions and input any details it asks. Pretty easy. I've done this and yeah, it works. So you just got to make sure you follow the instructions here. Okay, so yeah, I need to fill out my basic information in there. So let me go ahead and finish both of these 3 tasks and return in a second. I'll just pause the video so the video is not too long. So yeah, I'll see you in a second. Okay guys, so as I discussed, I just completed both of those 3 tasks. Just make sure you fully complete the 2 that you choose, and obviously you can read the description below each one to make sure you do fully complete it correctly. If you do 2 and you found it hasn't worked, do a 3rd, but 90% of the time it does work after 2. So do 2 and then do a 3rd if it hasn't. Now go back to your tabs and you can see this tab has popped up here. Click on it and I have now got my code. So this is a digital code, the same as if you purchased a game from a third-party website, but this, when I enter it into my Xbox console or in the Microsoft website in the redeem code page, it's simply going to start downloading FC24 for free. And that is how easy it is, guys. These codes are limited, so you do have to be somewhat quick, but they do replenish the codes as well. So you need to go and get your very own personal and unique code by going to www.speedycoupons.com. And that, guys, is how you get FC24 for free on all consoles, be it Xbox, PlayStation, PS4, PS5 or PC, Steam. Hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Please hit the like button. If you need any help, comment below. I'm always willing to help out. I'll see you next time.